guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search for specific messages on Discord. So you can also do it in private messages, but I recently created a new Discord account, so I won't be able to see some old messages, but you can also do it in a server, which I'm going to do right now. So here I can just select search, and I'm going to type in the name Taylor. You can also type in a word and press enter, and then it will find messages that have the word Taylor in it, and you can jump to the messages by pressing the jump bit here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!